world is speeding up, and it's getting more complex and, above all, more digital. But what I'm getting at is something completely different, namely something that I call context-related competence. So you need to understand your context. Now, the term context comes from a weaving frame. Now, a weaving frame tries to understand how things are connected to each other. So what I would like you to do is understand or know that there's blockchain or ChatGPT. You should know that there's a metaverse, and you should understand how all of this is connected. And I have a couple of examples here, some from family-owned companies. But let's start with this one, with this facial cream from Asterlift. Who has an idea which company produces this cream? What do you think? You all know this company. Which company is it? L'Oreal? Almost. Basically, it was Fujifilm. Fujifilm. Now, Fujifilm understood at some stage, they said about this film reel, they understood that it might not be so popular anymore, so they have those digital cameras now, mobile phones, so we have to rethink. Then they asked themselves a really good question, because they had understood the context. They said, what are we really good at? Really good at? And we said, well, when it comes to processing film reels, and they went into research and found out that the film reel has exactly the same density as the stratum corneum, the upper layer of our skin. And they said, if you're good at processing film reels, then we should also be able to process the upper section of our skin. So let's start with a cream. In Asia, it was really quite successful. In Europe, not so successful. But it's a nice example how, when you understand the context, you can adapt your business model.